Finding the Courage to Change, a prayer for contentment. From my life experience, I have developed a habit of low-grade anxiety. It's easy for me to start feeling anxious. I tend to leap into opportunities because I'm reacting to this fear. As you might expect, it's easy for me to jump from the frying pan into the fire. My habits of anxiety and reactivity get me into trouble. Today, I can remember that I don't have to let my negative emotions rush me into action. I can remember to pause and think. I can remember to take it easy. I can remember that opportunity is everywhere. If I'm not ready for some new opportunity today, perhaps I will be ready tomorrow. There's no need to rush. Things are always working out for me. A few years ago, I read a quote from Ralph Waldo Emerson about finding contentment. From that quote, I was inspired to create the following prayer. This prayer helps me to relax and know that all is well. My Creator, thank you for guiding me today. Thank you for helping me to listen humbly and hear your word for me. I'm grateful that there is a right way that needs no choice on my part, and thank you for opening my heart to it. I willingly place myself in the middle of the stream of your power and wisdom and allow it to flow into my life today. Thank you for bringing me effortlessly to truth and perfect contentment. And so it is now. Amen. We're all in this together. All is well.